How to make extra money at 17. You can find always a lot of persons telling you offering advice regarding do the following. That's crucial as properly as important obviously. Nonetheless at times you would like to fully realize what you ought to not do, what you want to stay away from. There is a correct way and also a wrong solution to invest your funds. This informative article is about the negative problem avoiding side, mentioning 5 points you should likely avoid if your goal should be to invest to make dollars. You will discover numerous causes to refrain from performing this. The major one is you will not know all risks. Rather it will actually be better need to you invest your income on something you know actually. That is mainly because loans have higher interest rates and your investments cannot be succeeded, so it is possible to lose income and will need pay that loan without having dollars. Instead just use your personal funds. The reasoning this may be a bad concept is simply because you will not know if your decision is great or bad and you can understand some failure too late. Instead you really must watch all of your investments even in case you don't like them. It is sometimes tough to avert this, but some men and women take so a lot time to choose if they must or not invest in when they understand they missed wonderful opportunities. As an alternative, keep in mind that you simply will need invest when you see a great opportunity, but you have to have studied and be ready. For those who carefully stay away from these 5 frequent errors and accept the suggestions offered for alternatives as an alternative, your odds of success as properly as your rewards received are going to be far better than they otherwise would.